welcome you, my family. Welcome you to my chat. Okay, I just want to speak to someone who's been doubting themselves lately. Yeah, I want to speak to you. If you've been doubting yourself lately, this video is for you. This chat is for you. Okay, you've been sitting on ideas. Maybe you have an idea, you've been sitting on it. You've been sitting on your dreams and gifts, waiting for the perfect time. But listen, the perfect time doesn't exist. Yes, the perfect time doesn't exist. The moment you decide to move, that's when your life starts changing. If you get what I mean. So stop waiting on the perfect time. The perfect time do not exist. You just have to start. Okay, stop sleeping on those dreams of yours. Stop sleeping on those ideas you've got, those gifts you've got. This is time to be on the move. Okay, start working with what you've got. All right. You need to keep scrolling and watching others succeed. Like, is that what you want to keep doing? Okay, do you want to like thinking those people are probably luckier or smarter? Yeah, but what if I told you the only difference is they started? Yes, they started. They posted the video, they launched the page, they believe in their own voice before anyone else did. That's the way to go. Okay, so stop scrolling and stop watching people, or stop seeing the big pages that have gone so viral, that have grown so big, thinking that, oh, you are late, you're not gonna make it. No, the very day you start, it's your day you start to shine. All right, don't be discouraged. Tap into your gift, tap into your creativity, and explore. All right, explore. The sky will definitely be your starting point, if you get what I mean. So some of you are carrying probably brilliant ideas, okay, but fear keep whispering, you are not ready, you are not ready. Let me remind you, readiness is built through motion. Yes, you don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take one bold step every single day. That's the way to go. Okay, stop shrinking yourself because you think no one is watching. All right, even in silence, heaven is watching your consistency. Yeah, heaven is watching your consistency. Yeah, so every late night, every tear, every little effort, it's not wasted. All right, example is a typical content creator. It is not a walk on the park, but I tell you, consistency is the key. It might seem difficult, it might seem discouraging sometimes, but don't give up. Keep pushing. All right, the moment you keep pushing, the way more easier it gets. All right, and before you know it, you will see yourself doing so well. All right, now, yeah, that's it. So you don't need permission. You don't need permission from anyone. Okay, you are a brand yourself. You are just enough. All right, you are just enough. You are the message. You are the proof that something great can come out of a humble beginning. Just get at it. All right, get at it. Okay, now, so today promise yourself. All right, I want you to promise yourself this: no more waiting, no more doubting on myself. Okay, you are going to show up. Okay, you are no longer going to be scared. Yeah, whether it's messy, imperfect, it doesn't matter. Just be ready to grow. That's all that matters. All right, there's growth in imperfection. All right, because you know what is important. One day, someone will say, I only believe in myself because I saw you do it first. You can imagine how good you're going to feel, right? And that's when you would realize your courage was never just for you. If you get what I mean. Yes, your courage was never just for you. So if this message spoke to you, hit me a love emoji in the comment and share this with someone, because someone out there might need to hear this. Yes, someone out there might be sleeping right now in their purpose and they need to wake up to their call. All right, remember, you are not behind, you are just in the proportion, okay, or you are in the preparation to keep moving, keep shining. Your time is not coming, your time is here. All right, believe in yourself and get to work, get at it. The sky will definitely be your starting point. You have yourself a good day. Bye bye.